Soldier Woods.
have no tag yet, kindly get your name tag for your presence. So everybody will going to have a chance to get all these prizes if you're going to join my games. So kailangan tayo masasali sa games nito, okay? Alright, so for this morning, we're celebrating the most important person and none other than, what is the name of our birthday girl? How about guess at the back? Sabay-sabay po tayo. What is the name of our birthday celebrant? Happy Easter, Cassie, everybody! Together with mommy. Huh? Ito tayo sa gitan dahil first was that. There you go. Parang Japanese yung style. Alright, so this morning we have lots of surprises. I mean, for all the kids, not only for the kids, also for the guests at the back. As I said earlier, we have lots of prizes. We have cakes and plenty or lots of cupcakes. Alright? And as you can see, hindi masyadong prepare ang party. Because we have lots of balloons downstairs hanggang dito sa taas sa papalibutan tayo. Later on, we're gonna have a mother balloon. Meron naman yun, yung balloon natin. Last part for the party. And then we're going to burst that. May mga corresponding prize for each of every balloon inside of the mother balloon, okay? So of course, I have my props here for the bubbles. So once again, while waiting for some other guests, yung mga guests natin while preparing for my games, pwede po tayong kumuha dito for the chocolate fountain here. Alright? So para hindi tayo masyadong nag-board ng konti, and I think we're gonna start now my game. So everybody, want all of you to please stand up. Dito tayo lahat. E.E. Alex Pia, who else? Cheche, Sophia, E.G., Christina, Marcus, who else? Come here, Miguel. Dito na tayo sa gitna. Come on. Would you like to join us, Miguel? Okay. By the way, for this morning, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Kuya Mark, your party host for this morning. And as I said earlier, marami tayong surprises. Meron tayong special guest for Cassie. Galing sa bakura ng EBS-CBN at GMU7. Wow! Just kidding. We're gonna have a surprise guest for our birthday song. Dito tayo sa gitna. Who knows how to sing happy birthday song first? Yan song. Walang may alam. Everybody, walang may alam who knows how to sing happy birthday song? Siyempre alam niyo yun kasi each and every one of us celebrating our birthday, right? So kailangan alam niyo how to sing a happy birthday song. But before we go on for the happy birthday song, we're gonna have a warm-up game para medyo ma-stretch yung mga puto ng mga kids natin. I know you waited too long, and right now, we're gonna start now our party. So yung game natin will be called Hide Under the Colored Blanket Game. May idea ba kung paano yung game natin? Sabi ko okay, so yung game natin, kids, is a very simple game. Mechanic, you're just going to hide yourself underneath of this pink colored blanket. Pwede kayong mag-share ng blanket. Would you like to join us, Sarah? It's okay, kahit 7 years old pataas kasi mamaya we're gonna have a game for the adult program. Alright? But first, we're going to create a game for the kids. So ito yung 3-color blanket. You can share the blanket with your friend. Pwede kayong magtago dito sa blanket and everybody will going to sit down on the floor. For the quiz, Kuya Mark, I'm gonna turn my back, not knowing kung sino yung nakatago doon sa color blanket. And I'm going to pick one of my favorite blanket. We're gonna announce for the guests who will be out or safe for the game. Intindihan ko ba? Ikaw ba tayo? Kids! Yes, of course. Ito lang, Tagalog, magtatago lang tayo sa blanket. Pwede kayo mag-share sa friend nyo. Kapag nakatago na, lahat kayo upo sa floor o sa sahig. Okay? Tapos, pipili si Kuya Martin sa color blanket. And then, hindi natin alam kung sino yung kids na nakatago doon. Kasi nakatalikod nga po ako. So, if we're going to announce the color, we're gonna find out kung sino yung out or kung sino yung safe. Alright? Sana naman. For the party, okay? Masyado tayo seryoso. Dito na tayo sa gitna. Are you ready now, kids? Nagiging ako sa yes. Are you all ready now? Sorry, excuse me?
Yes.
Yes, ready na tayo. Hi. Dito tayo sa gitna. As the music start, pag tindraw ko na yung 3 color blanket, yung mga color kid, pwede yung i-get yung mga small kid, alright? Ready? 1, 2, and go! Share the blanket with your friend, alright? Okay, so I think everybody can hide yourself on the 3 color blanket. Those kids hiding under the color green is out. Yan sila. 3, that's okay. Because of that, we're going to give you a consolation prize. Palapakan naman natin si AJ, Christina, and Marcus. Talagang consolation natin. Later, everybody will have a chance to get those prizes, alright? So you can join in my next game. Pupunta na tayo. Can we have that one? Thank you so much. So how many kids now? Hindi pa out si Miguel, okay? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Hindi pa tayo out. Ito muna lang. You're not yet out. Iko, Kim. Okay, 1, 2, and go! 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Ready now, kids? Ready na ba? Nakakagano pa sila. Alright, those kids hiding under the color red is out. Ay, wise ito. Okay, so nobody's out. Very good. Very good, kids. Nobody's out. Okay, so mababawas tayo ng sa color bracket. Since hindi pinagtago sa red, we're going to pull out the red one. Ready? 1, 2, and go! 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, listen up. Those kids hiding under the color yellow are safe. Hiding under the color green is out. Ay, sino yun? Bakit nagkagula sa yung mga green? You're wearing green. No, you're hiding under yellow. 5. So for that, siguro this one, I'm going to give you. Hindi, para maging fair sa tatlo, come on guys, I'm going to give you a consolation prize. Palakpakan naman natin yung mga kids. Get the prizes because we have lots of prizes for all of you guys. At para sa inyo talaga itong araw na to. And of course, for our birthday girl kasi Marcus, Christina, and EG. Paano ba? EG, Ige, what? Ige. Masyado sa siya ng EG, Ige. Okay, how about si Miguel? Miguel? Miguel, get a prize. There you go. Oh, yung mga out na upo na. So, ilan na lang yung natirahan sa? How many kids left? Kim? Upo na.